Sendloop versus Sendlane. Two of the top email automation tools in this time, but which one is actually worth your time and money? If you have been struggling to figure out which platform will make your email marketing easier and more effective, stick around because by the end of this video, you will know exactly which tool fits your business best. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we break down tech and marketing tools in a way that's simple, practical, and beginner friendly. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the description for links to free trial and deals you can use immediately. Now let's start with Sendloop first. Sendloop is designed for simplicity and ease of use. It's perfect for beginners or small businesses that want to get their email marketing up and running without learning complicated software. You can create campaign quickly, you can use pre-made templates and even set up the basic automation in just a minute. The interface is clean and everything is straightforward. No clutter, no confusion. And if your goal is to start sending emails fast and without headache, Sendloop is a solid option for you. On the other hand, we have the Sendlane. This platform is built for more advanced marketer and growing business. Beyond email, it focuses on automation that actually works for you. Think advanced sequences and also behavioral tracking and smart workflows that adjust based on how your subscriber interact with your email. So if you want to nurture your lead, increase the engagement and run complex campaign without manually tracking everything, then Sendlane gives you more power and the flexibility. But when it comes to automation, Sendloop covers the basic. You can schedule your email, create your simple sequence, and segment your audience. It's easy to understand and works well if your needs are simple. Other side, Sendlane, however, shines with advanced automation. You can trigger email based on click, purchase, or even time delay. And the workflow builder makes it easy to visualize and customize everything. For anyone who's serious about growing their list and running a strategic campaign, Sendlane is a clear winner. Now let's talk about pricing. Sendloop start at a lower price point, which makes it attractive for beginners and small businesses. Other side, Sendlane is a bit higher, but extra feature and automation tools, which is justify the cost if you want the long-term growth and more control over your campaign. So what's the verdict? If you are just starting out, want a simplicity and need a tool that works out of the box, then Sendloop is a great choice for you. But if you are looking for skill and want smarter automation and don't mind to investing a little more for powerful feature, then Sendlane is a better choice. If you want to try either of these tools, then check the link in the description below for free trial. And that's all for today. If this video helped you, give it a like and share it with someone who planning their email marketing, and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more tools and tips to grow your business. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.